Yo, I'm gonna be telling you how to unlock the Easter shop. The Easter shop is locked, and if you talk to the NPC, it's gonna tell you, got any golden plants? And if you wanna take a look at the shop, take this golden plant. Okay, I don't actually have golden plants. Yeah, I don't have any golden plants. But if you want to actually unlock the shop, you have to like the video right now and subscribe, because I'll be gifting a grapeseed giveaway. The only thing that you need to do is to comment down below grape. Comment down below grape for this new Easter update. So if you do want to unlock the shop, all you have to do is literally go to this NPC and talk to the NPC. Show me the shop, and then you need 30 kilos of golden plants. That's pretty much what you need to do to unlock the Easter shop. And how do you even get golden crops? You have to go to your farm and then you have to farm golden crops. So for example, there's a golden crop on top of my tomato farm right here. It's kind of hard to get it, but I did get it. And once you get it, gold tomato right here. This is the gold tomato that you have to give to the shop, and once you give 30 kilograms of these golden crops, you can unlock the shop. So that's pretty much how you do this. Take this golden plant. Let me see. There you go. 29 more kilos to go. And there is some Easter egg right here, so that's also something to look out for.